Hello everyone, so in this video I thought I would show you how I created these cute little Mickey and Minnie ornaments, and I think they would also be a good idea to use for baby showers or birthday parties, as little prize giveaways, or even as party favors. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you in advance, and let's get started. So I'm going to start by using chalk paint, and I'm using DIY's Queen Bee. And I just have a regular clear ornament, and I'm going to give it 2 coats. So now I'm going to use DIY's White Swan, and I'm just going to use the white swan to do the layout of the face. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go over it with black. And the reason why I'm using white first is just in case if I make a mistake, it's easier to clean up. I got my face done, so now I'm going to go over it with the black, and I'm using DIY's black velvet. So both my Mickey and Minnie mouse faces are almost done, and I just have to add the clay for the ears. And I got this mold on Amazon. I'm going to use this one for the Mickey, and I'm going to use this one for Minnie. I let the ears dry overnight, and now I'm going to add black, and again I'm using DIY black velvet chalk paint. The 2 coats of black velvet paint have dried, and now I'm going to add the last facial details. Gonna finish off with DIY's big top coat before adding Minnie's bow. Now for Minnie's bow, I used a 2" by 1.5 inches, and then the smaller piece is about 1/2 inch. And we're just going to fold it in half, and then fold it in half again on both sides. So it looks like a bow. And then you just glue. done, and now it's time to add it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you decide to create the same ornaments and post them on Instagram, please hashtag me at BeesArtDIY. I'd love to see your work. Bye for now.